The new SEAT Arona has already been a hit with us here at Auto Express, impressing us with its composed and refined drive, sharp style and generous equipment. SEAT is known for its sporty image, though, and the Arona is certainly one of the sportier choices among the flood of new small subs. So what is the sportiest Arona like? The model with that distinction has the new 1.5-liter petrol engine under the bonnet. Thanks to the 148 bhp at its disposal, not only is this comfortably the most powerful engine in the range, it also creates the fastest Arona, with a 0-62 mph time of just over 8 seconds. As you might expect, the engine only comes with the sportiest trims, FR and FR Sport. They certainly look the part, standing out from lesser models with their unique grille, full LED headlights, chrome window trim, tinted rear windows and twin exhaust pipes. They also have a unique design of alloy wheel, 17-inch on the FR, 18-inch on the FR Sport, as well as sports seats and a flat-bottomed steering wheel. And, to go with that extra power, they also come with stiffer sports suspension, but what they don't have is four-wheel drive. Like all Aronas, they're front-wheel drive model, and are available only with a 6-speed manual gearbox. Out on the road, it's quickly clear that this is an SUV with the emphasis more on sport than in other models in the Arona range. The 1.5-liter engine pulls strongly from 1,500 revolutions per minute, so it responds keenly to any pressure on the accelerator, and, while it's not hot hatch quick, there's enough power to set the traction control light flickering from time to time, and to push you back into those sports seats. It also means it's delightfully easy to keep up a good pace, as you can rely on the low rev response to pick up speed, rather than having to change gear all the time in search of the engine's sweet spot. In fact, that's a good thing in more than one way, as the engine gets pretty noisy if you rev it very hard. The sports suspension also means that there's less body roll than in other Aronas, and that allows you to keep up a good speed through bends across country. It's well balanced, with a generally composed and secure feel all the time. However, the downside to all this good news from the driver's point of view is a firmer ride. It's something you notice particularly at higher speeds, when ridges across the road and even the joints between pieces of tarmac on the motorway are felt obviously in the cabin. And, that was on the FR, with 17-inch wheels. We worried that the 18-inch wheels on FR Sport could lead to a more uncomfortable ride. True, no Arona rides all that well, around town in particular, but, if you want an Arona and spend a lot of your time on bumpy roads, we'd suggest you avoid one of these sporty models.